Hello and welcome to TPL. So before we kick things off, obviously I'm waiting for us to go live on our other channels. So I just want to speak to you guys about the topic for today. It's going to be around mass adoption of crypto. So that's going to be the subject matter of today. Give us a second, guys, so we can go live on different channels. I would love to hear from you guys exactly what you think about crypto, whether you think it's a scam, whether you think it's a bubble. What are your thoughts around cryptocurrency overall? Do you think there is going to be a mass adoption of it? Do you think it's not for everybody? Do you think that it's going to go to zero? Or maybe you're 100% bullish on crypto. If you are, please write in the comments exactly what you think about it, and tell me exactly where on the spectrum you fall, whether you're an investor into crypto, whether or not you've actually tried it out before. What are your sentiments around cryptocurrency, etc.? Did you ever invest in it? Are you scared? Are you skeptical? Do you know how to do it? I'd love to get feedback from a lot of you guys. On most of my social media channels and most of the guys we've researched online, we find that people know about crypto. And a lot of people don't know about crypto, right? Which is difficult, obviously, but I would love to hear from you. What do you guys think about cryptocurrency overall? So from my side, cryptocurrency is a investment opportunity. And firstly, I want to speak about mass adoption in the crypto space. So currently we find that there is a lot of mass adoption in crypto currently. When I first started off crypto, when I first got into it, it was a means of payment. So it was quite lucrative at that point, but we just came back from that big downtrend that happened over the first ever cycle, and everybody was saying that, hey, this is a bubble, it's going to go to zero. Well, years passed after that, and we found that, hey, that crypto, Bitcoin specifically, didn't go anywhere. That was like the first ICO crisis that happened overall. And we saw that crypto, it didn't go it didn't go away completely. Yeah, the downtrend, obviously, but it didn't go to zero. So that was obviously one of the things that were affected. The point of the matter is that people were confusing it up and connecting it with the tulip industry. I don't know if anybody has researched this, but the tulip industry was like a bubble. Exactly, it popped and one day it was not there. Before that, people gave a lot of value to tulips out in France and UK, obviously. And it wasn't the case anymore, right? So this is what they were referring to back in the day, that this is a bubble, it's gonna pop, it's not gonna be here forever. Well, forward wind several years, over 8 years now, and we see that cryptocurrency has been through cycles. And when I started getting heavily into crypto was in the last cycle. So on this last cycle, what happened to me is that I looked at crypto, and crypto went down again, right? It was doing its normal cycle and it went down. And because of previous investments in financial assets, I found that this might have been a trend or a pullback or a correction, and then I was waiting for the upside. So I follow a very old medium of investment, which is a simple investment strategy of swing trading. Swing trading is an idea or concept. Old investors, old school investors such as Warren Buffett, etc., use swing trading as an investment tool. The way they do it is to buy low and sell high. So when everybody else is selling and when the market is going down and everybody's scared and emotional that they're losing money and panic sell, etc., we buy at that point in time. So for myself personally, I've been buying at that point in time. So I continuously buy into crypto. And this was the first cycle that we went through. An amazing opportunity at that point in time. We found a big uptrend. Obviously, it went up to 60,000, and then now we've gone back into a bearish market. For me, it's another correction, obviously, because of market sentiments, because of what's going on. But from the last cycle to this cycle, what I've noticed more dominantly is mass adoption. What do I mean by mass adoption? I've seen institutions such as BlackRock adopting crypto, partnering with Coinbase. Like institutional money like funds and fund managers buying crypto and getting into crypto portfolios. Why? Because they've seen such a big uptrend, such a big upside of tremendous amounts of volume. Volatility breeds profits. So the more volatile the asset, the more opportunity it is, the much more amount of profit. When coronavirus 2 years hit and we saw a big downtrend in crypto and all assets, we saw oil going down to nothing. The fastest growing asset at that point in time was, guess what? Was Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. They retraced faster than all of the indexes. So faster than the S&P 500, faster than the Nasdaq 100, faster than all of them. So crypto overall retraced over the point of the all-time low or all-time high. It retraced and it came back to that point very, very quickly. Now, from my side, it's an amazing opportunity, and that's when I got in. I looked at it as a mass adoption of cryptocurrency, and I looked at it as an opportunity. So great time at that point. Over these last cycle, what I found was I found that we could not, the adoption from different countries, different communities, different financial institutes, banks, everywhere I look, sports sectors, every single medium that I've ever looked at has started to use mass adoption. So, or adopting cryptocurrency. It's an amazing opportunity, and I think everybody should get into it. I'm going to cut for a break right now, guys, and I'm going to resume in the next couple of minutes. Please take some time and write in the comments what you think about everything we spoke about. And in the next couple of minutes, I'll be right back. Thank you, guys.